We're out here at the Foster Farm today. I got my snowmobile, got the wheel skis on there, the radiator, got this sick bag jump lander in behind us, and I'm gonna try and ride this snowmobile today.
What are you boys doing?
Oh, we're just, you know how they like takes forever to de-plane or de-ice the airplane wing? De-ice in the
So
wing.
this is your pre-flight.
Yeah, this is pre-flight.
You're up, Turkey.
Oh man,
dude, you got a high mark. You're a sled guy.
Above the logo yet.
Sled guy, dude. High mark him.
I didn't know you could do backflips. Yeah. So that wraps up my day out here at the Foster Farm. It was awesome, man. Foster and Beach got to ride their dirt bikes on the Super Kicker. I rode the sled Super Kicker, and I felt good. A little bit rusty for sure, but I mean, I haven't ridden the freestyle sled in a long time. So last time I did that, there was snow on the ground, and I was just coming home from X Games. For me, I have like this different mindset now. I can come out and do this kind of like at my own will. You know, there's no pressure, there's no need to perform or succeed, and you know, that's a really cool mindset for me to put myself in, and you know, looking forward to this winter riding my sled both on the ramp and in the mountains. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Keep watching videos like this.